Hello again. Figured I'd just plod out here and collect some pine cones. Because in between starting up this episode and ending the last one, I talked to a man. And he told me some beautiful information of if you put a pine cone in a fire, it just instantly makes a whirlwind. And I never knew that. I didn't really fuck around with pine cones much in the previous game. So it's cool to know that that's like a thing, you know? But, you know, we're right at the neck, or we're right at the entrance of the Rito village, though something tells me, something being this busted up bridge, that it's going to be a little harder to get over there than I would have liked to think. I don't have the ability to board my horse either. So I guess Celeste is just going to chill out right there. Quite literally. It is very cold. Oh, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking the game just told me about the pinecone whirlwind thing. So I can throw a pinecone on this and then fly over. So I think I'll do that. Oh, I wish there was a place for me to board Celeste, though. Because I can't board him at Lucky Clover. I mean, maybe there's one around Tabantha, the pond, but that's not the objective. That's not the mission for today. The mission for today is to actually go into the fucking village. Oh. Oh, you know what? Yup. Clever game. Clever environmental tutorial. Hey, see that guy sitting by the fire? He's just kind of chilling out, but if you talk to him, he'll tell you how to cross this gap easily. Also good to know that the pants I found are just good enough to walk around these parts. I cooked up another pepper meal, though I'm pretty sure you saw that. But it looks like I'm not going to be needing it. And this music's cool, and that's a treasure chest. Oh, right! This is because the Rito are from Wind Waker, so this is a remix of that island's theme. So cool. I need to find, like, a shrine. Or I need to use that tower. So I have, like, a fast travel location. Huh. Thought that'd, like, break, or it'd be super cold and it'd hurt. That's why I've been avoiding them the whole time, but it seems to be fine. Also, these drawbridges gotta be, like, hats off to the architect, or, like, whoever made these, because holy shit, man. That's a lot of snow. Snow's fucking heavy, too. Like, that's impressive. Way to go, Slugger. That's what that's my opinion. That's my take. This music's so, like, pretty, but it's also so sad. And new goddess shrine. Oh. Hello. Oh. Yeah, sure. I made it to the village, right? I get to fuck around now and find out what happens. Cool. Oh, they have, like, hair, and then they have, like, feathers. That looks cool, but it's also like weird. It makes it look like their faces are like masks. The adults, are they like out? Oh yeah, no, they're out getting resources for the kids. It's like, why are they just leaving the kids? That's kind of weird. But no, we already saw that lady getting food for them. They're just out doing their job. Alright. There's an inn. Is it ran by a child? Or is it just... Oh, it is. I think I'm just gonna let them figure that one out. Oh, hey! I was just talking about needing a fast travel location. While I'm here, I need fish. That's cool. What about the armor? There's no armor. I'm very greedy. Oh, that's also not the clothing store. This is the clothing store. Ooh, I'm a sick freak that wants a helmet. Oh, but it makes his hair ponytail. Why? It's so much cooler when it's not. $1,000? Jeez. That one's 500 and it's like cheap. I might get the... It'd be best to get the helmet, even if it doesn't really match the rest of the outfit. Oh. I mean, okay, for armor min-maxing, it's the best to get this, but this is cheaper. It looks better with my pants, and I get to keep my hair down. Oh. I'm at a loss. Let's just get this. Oh, voice crack. Voice crack because I'm, like, defeated. But if it does get cooler at the top of the mountain, then it is, like, better to have more cold resistance, I think. Even though I do have, like, 1,000,000 hot peppers, I always kind of prefer to just not have to worry about that running out. While I'm here, let's get this locked and loaded. And you know what? Let's do the shrine. Right? This is the village episode. Let's, like, do the shrine. It's in the village, right? It's fair. Let's do the village and then let's get the map, because I don't like running around with no map. It's like my least favorite thing to do in a game like this. I mean, I guess the little dingly things from his sideburns match the thing wrapped around his chest. Otherwise, the drip ain't so great. Oh well. Is this like the wind temple? Am I gonna be like winding around? Oh! Whoa! I'm Tom Cruise! And I fell. Yippee! Oh, ow. Jeez. There we go. Oh, I love this shrine. This is just a hole in the wall with extra steps. Let me guess, this is gonna be like the Sonic levels? Yeah. You just gotta fall. Oh. Oh, but you can just chill out. Yeah! Oh shit. Oh, ow! I was falling the whole time. Oh, how do you land? Oh, how do you land like this? Oh. I guess you just don't. I guess you actually, instead of insisting on killing these guys, you just like... You do you. You get the hell out of Dodge. Oh, I guess that little, like... I have like a little golden thing next to my ear. That matches the little golden thing on my shoulder in the belt buckle. It could be worse. I'm still like upset that I fucking got a hat, but whatever. Oh no, this is a certified go up. Oh, it's over? Ow. No, it's not over. I didn't get the chest. Put me back in, coach. This is cool. It's still really weird that you just fucking like... Ow! Oh. Never mind. It was a skill issue the whole time. Hey. Nice. Can I pick these up while I'm gliding? Yep. I can't see my stamina though. That's a little concerning. Alright. Onward! Ah. That was awesome. I want more shrines like that. That was so much fun. I hope the dungeon's like that. I mean, maybe not the taking damage when I just land part of it. That part wasn't so much fun. But that was awesome. Probably, it's telling me about luring fish. I should probably look into getting fish for that Rito kid. Never mind. There's a cave right here. Is it just... What? No. What is this? What do they want me to do here? It's just a go up button. You know, it's just more convenient travel.
Hi.
Staminoka bass. Do I have that? I don't think I have that. That sounds new to me. Yep. So sad. Would you like a Staminoka frog? Would that do the thing for you? Would that hit the spot? Let's put the worst bow back in. Though I really shouldn't be concerned about poor quality bows for long in earnest. Or in the Rito level. They got bows for days. And it's only now dawned on me that I could just fucking ascend right there. But I don't want to. I don't know, I like taking in the scenery. You know what, this music reminds me of like a Klonoa, like, Door to Phantom Isle cutscene, where like, Laphise gets stolen. Like a sad Klonoa cutscene. Oh shit. Yeah, but yeah, this friend has arrows for me to steal. Oh no. Sorry.
Oh.
Huh.
Wow.
Okay. I will help you since I stole your arrows.
Huh?
Oh, I have them?
Oh.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome, actually. Here you go. Of course.
Wow. Oh. Oh.
That was awesome. You don't need to only get that kind of fruit. You can get choo-choo jelly. Maybe in the third game. That'd be cool. Yeah, even then. If like the next Zelda directly follows up this one, I doubt it would be in Hyrule with the same people. I mean, she's a Rito. She could like travel. Or it could just be like Molly's Arrows and it's like a brand. Either way. Cutscene.
That's not fair at all! You know I can handle it! Checking out that huge cloud wouldn't be hard. I could even do it alone.
Oh, hey, dude.
If we don't do anything, the village... Huh?
Is that the fucking dorky kid
Is
that I
that
shot
you?
targets for?
It is you!
You look cool now.
Link!
And you sound like Ash Ketchum. That's awesome. Hey, dude. Yeah, Taba.
Ugh.
Yeah, dude, he's got like a design overhaul. He doesn't look silly anymore. He looks cool. Do I get to go scouting with the bird boy? Aw. See ya, man. Probably gonna have to go after him, actually.
Ah.
Like the Divine Beast? Or no, they knew the Divine Beast was the Divine Beast. Flying ship. Oh, so that'd be the Zonai, right? Heh. The bird people talking about parroting. That's witty. That's good writing. That's silly. Ah, but the village is all junked up. Oh, I've got like a ton of peppers. I can make you guys some pepper.
Mm.
Oh, and the tower's that way too. Okay. New mission. New mission. I can make this, right? Yeah, I can make this. Yep, I'm gonna go talk to Marth. That being right next to the tower is so tempting. Hi, Wizroad. I know your weakness. I hope you're ready to see God. Don't they just, like, go hang out with Ganon for a bit till the next blood moon? Isn't that how that works with these guys? Oh. Dang. Yeah, I already got a better version. I got, like, the specifically magic wand item. You know, I should invest in that Rito shirt eventually. Just so I can get the snow boots later and move at full speed in the snow. What is this stuff? Soldier construct horns. So the Zonai constructs, which are made to purge outsiders, are getting killed by something, huh? Sounds like an infestation. Oh, they do hurt, actually. I can speak from experience. Yeah! Yeah! Give me all of the loot. Thank you. Goodbye. Ooh, oh. Whoa, is that Hearth? He's got, like, awesome hair. Oil jar. Oh. Peppers. Oh, he's so, like... You know? Do I know Hearth? Do we know Hearth from the last game? I don't remember. So I don't know Hearth, but... Maybe we should. Maybe I should. He looks like Rivali. Similar blue color. You got better hair, though. Sky monsters. Sorry, bud. Alright, dude.
Oh.
Really? Because when he flew off in that cutscene, he did look a little dopey.
Oh.
That's cute. Oh, I saw in like a cutscene from like Hyrule Warriors Calamity era. He's like, Rivali, I'm gonna do your thing. I'm gonna steal your gimmick. Fuck you. Endearing. So like he did it. By God.
Ah.
Alright. Bonfire at the mouth of the cave. Find Tulin. The bird boy. And isn't the... Yeah, and the tower's along the way. Alright. Let's get going then. Let's see if I can get in that tower in 6 minutes. I have my doubts. But, you know, it's not worth trying. Or it's not worth not trying. It's worth trying. There we go. I eventually figured out what I wanted to say. I'm really talented. Alright. Right. No, come back. No. I move so slow. You can't be doing this. You can't. You can't. I refuse. Alright. This should be a better surface. No, it's definitely gonna roll down here too. Why? Why, I say. Stick. Okay. No. Oh, come on. Wait. Oh, you can't just do that. You have to actually make fire first. Lame. Sorry, it'll be just a moment. Here we go. Oh yeah, I don't need to do that anymore. I can just throw it. Yippee. There we are. Go. Yeah! Screw climbing the mountain. I learned about pine cones from a old fella. And he told me I can do that. To do this. Anyways, looks like you got a bit of a like a thorn problem over here. Do these ignite? I mean, it's literally like, here's the Hylian pine cone. You know what you have to do. But like, do I? Can't I just do this? Yeah. Get out of here, your Hylian pine cone. It's not like Flower Blight Ganon is protecting these thorns. I can do what I want. Oh, wait. Oh. Never mind. I thought that'd get the point. But hey, we got to the tower. We went in the village, did a little shrine, got to the tower. This is so cool. So many activities. And we're gonna get the map, and we're gonna land up there. And I'm definitely actually landing up there, because man, it's like right there, and it's like a long cylinder, so it's probably one of those cool diving challenges. And if I get like more free costume parts, like I'm taking it. I played Little Big Planet as a kid, right? I am eternally hunting for drip. You cannot stop me. So cool. Oh, it looks like there's a Cube Man boss fight right there, too. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Finally. The ability to see more of the map. Ooh. Dungeon? Presumably. I don't know what else would be in that big angry wind ball. Oh no, I didn't make it. I already fell too far. It's okay. We have technology. Especially around these parts. Oh, the cube. I want to go fight the cube, but if I go fight the cube, it'll be harder to go back up. But it's easier to go back up the shrine and go down and fight the guy. So tell you what. Let's go get this shrine. And then next time, we'll dick around in the Sky Islands instead of making progress. It'll be great. It's progress in a way because it's clearing out part of the map. So like, I'm only a little bit of an asshole. You know? You can't fault me. It's cool up here. Ijo. Ijo. Another one of these cannons. Presumably to help you launch yourself around. Oh. Oh. I was like, this one doesn't rotate it though. It does. I just did not understand the machination. But more importantly... dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. Yes. Yes. Now where are the small... yes. Put them in the hole. Beautiful. Now let's look at this, up. There we go. What is its drop pool? Oh, just bombs, pots, and flames. Yeah, actually, I regret using the big one on that. Not gonna lie. But it looks like we made perfect time. to stop there and start anew in that shrine. And then go kill the big cube guy. It'll be so cool. It'll be so cool. Source. I said so. Parentheses. Trust me. But I guess you won't know for sure until you come around next time. So guess I'll see you then.